Hello students, welcome to my next online class. So this is the continuation video on the previous chapter matrix. So in this video we are going to solve few questions from transpose of matrix. How to transpose a given matrix. Like you see, I have noted down one matrix here, A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. That means this matrix we have to transpose, right? So transpose of matrix, it is denoted by A complement, right? Now in transpose, diagonal elements we have here 1 and 4, so it will remain as it is, but rows will change into column. So rows and column, they will get interchanged. So this is the required answer, right? So if a matrix is given, we can transpose. Similarly, if we have 3 cross 3 matrix, like for example we have 1 0 minus 1 2 3 4 5 6 8, right? If we have to transpose this 3 cross 3 matrix, then A transpose will be, its diagonal elements will be same here. Diagonal element is 1, 3 and 8. So this 1, 3 and 8 will remain as it is. It will be unchanged. Now rows will change into column. Here rows we have 1, 0, minus 1. So this will be 1, 0, minus 1, right? So in a column we have 1, 2, 5. So this will come here 1, 2, 5, right? Now 3 position is unchanged. Just 6 and 4, they will get interchange. So here we will have 6, here we will have 4. So overview, you see then rows and columns, they get interchange in transpose of matrix, right? So we have next question here. A matrix is given 3 cross 3 and we have to find A plus A complement, that is A plus transpose of matrix A, right? So A is already given in the question. We will have to find first transpose of this matrix. So transpose, just now I told that diagonal elements will remain same and rows will change into column, right? So this is our transpose of this given matrix. Now we have to find A plus A complement. So when it is given A plus A complement, we will substitute in place of A the matrix A which is given in the question, that is 1 4 2 2 5 3 3 minus 1 0, right? Plus transpose of matrix A, that is 1 2 3 4 5 minus 1 2 3 0. Now when you add this matrix, this addition of matrix I have taught in my previous class. 1 plus 1, that we have 2, 4 plus 2 we have 6, 2 plus 3 that we have 5, 2 plus 4 6, 5 plus 5 that is 10, 3 minus 1 that is 2, 3 plus 2 that is 5, minus 1 plus 3 that is plus 2, and 0 plus 0 we have 0. So this is our required answer, right? So this is how we transpose a given matrix, and we have to see what we have to find. We have to find A plus A dash here. Next question we have, if A matrix is given 1 3 minus 2 5 and minus 2 5 3 4, we have to find AB complement. That means first we have to find a product of matrix A and matrix B, then we have to find its transpose, right? So in my previous class, this multiplication of matrix also we have solved. AB, that is multiplication of matrix A into matrix B. So in multiplication of matrix, we have to multiply row and column multiplication here. 1 into minus 2, that is minus 2, plus 3 into 3, that is 9. Similarly 1 into 5, that is 5, plus 3 into 4, that is 12. Similarly minus 2 into minus 2, that is 4, plus 5 3s are 15. Minus 2 into 5, that is negative 10, plus 5 into 4, that is 20, right? So we have here 7, 17, 19 and 10, right? Now we have got here AB. So what will be our AB transpose? AB transpose will be 7 and 10 will remain as it is. Just row and column, they will get interchanged. So this is our required answer. So one more question I have solved on the board. You see, matrix A is given 3 1 minus 2 and matrix B is given 1 minus 5 7, right? We have to verify AB complement equals to B complement into A complement, right? So first we have to find the product of AB. So matrix A is given 3, 1, minus 2. What is its order? That is 3 cos 1, because there are 3 rows and 1 column. And here we have 1 column but 3 means 1 row and 3 columns, right? So you see multiplication is possible or not? Yes, it is possible, because column of first matrix is matching with the row of the second matrix. So what will be the net answer? Our 3 cross 3, right? So 3 into 1, 3, 3 into minus 5, minus 15, 3 7 is 21. So first I multiplied with all here, we got row 1. Similarly 1 I will be multiplying with 1, minus 5 and 7, we will get row 2. Minus 2 into 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 2 into minus 5, that is plus 10, and minus 2 into 7, 40, right? After getting AB matrix, multiplication of A into B, we will transpose it, because in left hand side we have to transpose AB complement. So transpose of this matrix is this one. You see, rows is being changed into column and column is changed into rows. Diagonal element will remain same and this will just get interchanged. So likewise we got LHS. Now we'll find for RHS. In RHS we have B complement into A complement. That means first we have to find B transpose, then A transpose, and we have to multiply these two matrix, right? So B complement, you see what we have, 1 minus 5 7. So this will be turned into 1 minus 5 7. That means rows will change into column and column will change into rows. Now we have to multiply in the same way how we multiplied here. 1 into 3 3, 1 into 1 into minus 2. So likewise I have multiplied 1 with these 3, we got row 1. Similarly minus 5 with all these 3 elements, we will get row 2. 7 into 3, 7 into 1 and 7 into minus 2, we will get row 3. So it has been seen that the matrix which we got for left hand side and right hand side both are identical. So therefore LHS equals to RHS. So you see, when we are verifying any question here, left hand side prove that left hand side equals to right hand side or not. First we will find for LHS, then we will prove for RHS. Next topic we have symmetric and skew symmetric matrices, right? So how will you find a given matrix is symmetric or how a given matrix is skew symmetric, right? For example, I have noted on here the matrix A equals to 3 2 2 8. Now if you transpose this matrix, we will get the same element, right? If you interchange also we will get the same matrix. Therefore we can say matrix A equals to A transpose. So we will say that this matrix is symmetric matrix, right? Similarly we have another matrix A equals to 0 1 minus 1 0. If we transpose this matrix, we will get, or let us consider here 3, any element here 3. So 0 3, here we will have minus 1 and here it is 1, or let it be 0 only here. Just for expansion we are not finding here value, otherwise the value of this matrix will be 0. We are not finding here value, just I am explaining what is skew symmetric matrix, right? So 0 1 minus 1 0 we have here. Now if we transpose this matrix, just rows and column will get interchanged. Here diagonal element both are 0, so it will remain same, but here these two element will get interchanged. Now if we take minus common from this matrix, what we will get? We will get 0 1 minus 1 0, right? So but what is this? It is matrix A, so this is minus A, right? So A transpose equals to minus A, but here A transpose was equals to A. So if any matrix after transpose, if you are getting same element, then we will say it is symmetric. But after transpose, if you get negative of the given matrix, then we will say that it is skew symmetric. Similarly, for example, we have a given matrix like A equals to 1 2 3 4. Show that A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix, right? So we have proof that this is symmetric matrix. A plus A transpose, or A complement also we say. So first we'll find it complement of this matrix. We'll get 1 3 2 4, just 3 and 2 will get interchange, so we got A complement. Now when we'll add this one, A plus A transpose, A we have 1 2 3 4 and A transpose we have 1 3 2 4, right? So what we will get here, 1 plus 1, that is 2, 5 5 8, right? Now after getting A plus A transpose, if we again transpose this, then we'll get the same element, 2 8 5 5, right? So as we are getting same element here, so we can say that this given matrix is a symmetric matrix, or A plus A transpose whole transpose equals to A plus A transpose, right? The same way as I have told, if A transpose equals to A, then it is symmetric matrix. Like here, A plus A transpose whole transpose equals to A plus A transpose. So same answer we get after transposing this also. So therefore it is a symmetric matrix. Matrix A is given 1 2 3 4. Same, we have to prove now A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix, right? So A transpose will be 3 2, right? 1 3 2 4, just this row and column will get interchanged. A minus A transpose, when we find A, we have 1 2 3 4 minus transpose of A 1 3 2 4. So what will be our answer? 1 minus 1, that is 0. 2 minus 3, that is negative 1. 3 minus 2, we have 1 here. 4 minus 4, we have 0, right? So A minus A transpose. Now if we transpose this A minus A transpose, and if we get same element, then we will say symmetric, or if you get negative of this, then we will say it is skew symmetric. So A minus A transpose we got here, that means A minus A transpose, we will find again transpose of this total answer. So we will transpose this, 0 and 0 will remain same, we will get here 1 and here minus 1. Similarly minus, if I take common, then it will be all the elements, this will get changed, right? So minus, but what it is A minus A transpose. A minus A transpose. A minus A transpose whole transpose equals to minus of A minus A transpose. Therefore A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix, right? So this was the concept of how to find the symmetric and skew symmetric. So next question we will solve how to express a given matrix as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric.